So now, when we go to the framework, right? This is the clean framework. The C stands for clarity. Just stop for a moment and think about it. You are right now because of everything you know to be here where you are right now. Like you've gotten clarity that you can live out exactly what you're doing right now. You've gotten clarity, you prayed for that job or you prayed for it to have two accounts or three or whatever it is, and then eventually you got to that. What I've learned is the clearer you can get about what it is, who you are, what it is you like, what it is that you're going to be doing, is the more you're able to work towards that. The reason why so many people aren't succeeding in nowadays is because they're so distracted. They have so many other options they can choose from versus doing the work that is just right in front of them. And without clarity, they can have the wrong business, they can have the wrong partners, they can have the wrong lifestyle. They have all these wrong things, the wrong audiences. They're preaching different things to different people and not having any clarity. Without any clarity, you struggle there and you cannot get down to who your identity is, who your avatar is, what your offer is. and 10 grand a month, right?